So over here you can see that I have a bunch of video clips, and let's say I want to export this in a specific format with specific settings. In that case, you need to click on the export button on the top, and once you choose around the format that you wish to export this in. So let's say for example, I'm going to go around over here and choose a format I like. So I'm just going to select S.264 high profile right here. And then to change around all of its settings, you can click on advanced, and then you can choose around the video resolution, as you can see right here. So let's say I'm going to go around and change this out into, let's say for example, 720 right here by 576 right here, just like this. So let's say this is going to be the resolution, and you can see you can change around the aspect ratio and even frames per second. In my case, I'm just going to go around, keep this at, let's say for example, 25 frames per second. So you can go around and change around these settings. As you can see, you can choose scan mode to progressive or interlaced, but the progressive is the setting that to go with at all times mostly. So I'm going to go around over here onto codec, and here you can even choose out the codec you wish to process the video with. So you can go around into S.264 right here, just like this. So right now it's this one right here. So if you wish to change around the video codec to let's say S.264 right here, just like this, and there's variations. As you can see, you can go around and choose it, and you can go around and choose the rate control and other settings as you wish. Over here on the audio, you can see that the audio is stereo right now, so you can go for mono, or you can change around the audio codec as well if you wish to, and work around with other settings as you wish, and even choose around the format from over here on the top. So you can see that you can really change around the settings of how you want to export out your video, and you can configure out in different formats as well if you wish to. Once everything is okay, you can click on export file right here, and on desktop I'm just going to say custom file right here, just like this, and hit the save button. And then what happens is that it starts processing out the video according to the settings, but it failed because some of the settings that we chose is not supported. So I'm just going to go around over here, and then let's say for example I'm going to go around, choose another format over here. So let me just go around and select S.264 main profile itself, and then change around, like let's say 720 by let's say this is going to be 576 right here, and this is going to be 25 frames per second. So not all of the combinations work out, but you can go around and choose codec and audio according to how you like it. So let's say I'm just going to choose mono audio right here, and now click on export file right here, and this is going to be let's say custom file 2 right here, just like this. And I'm going to hit the save button, and now it starts processing normally, as you can see, because all of the settings that we chose now is supported. So it is processing out quite a fast rate because we chose a lower resolution for the video. So it's processing out everything, as you can see right here. And then depending on the length, it does take a bit of time to process out the video sometimes, which is totally normal. So now you can see that it has completed processing, and if I were to minimize this, you can see the video file right here. So I can go around and then play out the video file, and it has all the transitions and everything. And if I were to right click on the video and go around into more option and go to properties, over here in the details section you'll be able to see the exact resolution and the frame rate that we chose, and the channel for the audio that we chose as well. So that is how we can utilize the exporting properties inside of Shortcut. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.